Welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss Evaluate Yourself 1 from Unit 7. In Evaluate Yourself 1, they given two equations. They ask us to find rate expression for the given equation. So first equation is 3a plus 5b2 gives 4cd. Before write the rate expression, we have to know which is reactant, which is product. Then for reactant, which sign has to use. Then product, which sign has to use. That also we have to know. Here who is the reactant? A and B is a reactant. CD is a product. While writing rate expression of the equation, for reactant we have to use minus sign. Then for product we have to use plus sign. Why we are using minus sign for reactant? Because in the reaction, the concentration of reactant is going to decrease. Side by side, the concentration of product is going to increase. For decrease and increase only, we are using the minus and plus sign. Reactant is going to decrease in reaction, so minus sign we are using for reactant. Product is going to increase in the reaction, so we are using the plus sign for product. To identify the reactant and product in rate expression only, we are using the minus and plus sign. You never take this minus and plus for calculate any values. Just for identify the reactant and product in rate expression only, we are using minus and plus signs. So now for this first equation, we are going to write the rate expression. Coefficient of first reactant A is 3. For reactant we are using minus sign. So minus 1 by 3 d of concentration of A by dt equal to minus 1 by 5 d of concentration of B2 by dt equal to 1 by 4 d of concentration of CD by dt. The next equation what is given? X2 plus Y2 gives 2XY. Here who are the reactant? X and Y are reactant. XY is a product. So rate expression for the reaction is minus d of concentration of X2 divided by dt equal to minus d of concentration of Y2 divided by dt equal to 1 by 2 d of concentration of xy divided by dt. So now in evaluate yourself, first sum we saw. Next we are going to see that in evaluate yourself 1 second sum. Second sum what they given? Decomposition of N2O5 to form NO2 and O2. Then disappears rate of N2O5 is given, that is 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 mole decimeter minus 3 second minus 1. This ideas they were given in the sum. They ask us to find the rate of NO2 and O2 formed as well as the overall rate of the reaction. So with the use of this idea, we are going to find these two answers. Before finding this answer, we have to write one equation with the use of this ideas, this first line. Decomposition of N2O5 to form NO2 and O2. So here itself we come to know who is going to decompose, who is going to participate in the reaction. N2O5 is going to participate in the reaction. So N2O5 is a reactant. NO2 and O2 is a product. Already we know we are going to write left side the reactant, right side only the product. So with the use of this idea, we will write this equation like that. N2O5 is going to decompose. It will give NO2 and O2. See, this is a balanced equation? No, it's not a balanced equation. So we are going to balance this. To balance, we have to calculate the atoms present in both right side and left side of the equation. So N in left side 2, right side 1, O in left side 5, right side 4. We couldn't change this 5 as a 4, otherwise this 4 as a 5. But we can change this 5 as a 10. To change this 5 as a 10, we are going to give 2 as a coefficient for N2O5. Now 2 5s are 10. With the use of this, we are going to balance right side of the reaction. Here, how much nitrogens are there? 4. In product side, where nitrogen is present? In NO2. So here we are going to give 4. Now you calculate the oxygen. Oxygen in right hand side 4 into 2, 8. Here 2. So 8 plus 2, 10. Here in left hand side also 10. Now by balancing the nitrogen atom in the equation, oxygen already balanced. Now we got the balanced equation. After getting the balanced equation, we are going to find the rate expression for the above equation. Already in first sum we learned how to write the rate expression for given reaction. So here N2O5 is a reactant. We are going to give minus sign. Minus 1 by 2 d of concentration of N2O5 divided by dt equal to 1 by 4 d of concentration of NO2 divided by dt equal to d of O2 divided by dt. This is a rate expression for the equation. Next, we are going to find the answer for first question they asked. First question what they asked, find the rate of NO2 and O2 formed. From this above expression, we are going to take the formula for find rate of NO2 formed. So N1 by 4 d NO2 divided by dt is equal to 1 by 2 d of concentration of N2O5 dt. This is a formula we are taking for find the rate of NO2. In the sum itself, they were given the value of d of concentration of N2O5 divided by dt. This rate they were given. What is the value? 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 mole decimeter minus 3 second minus 1. Already I told in first sum itself, to identify the reactant and the product only we are using minus and plus signs. You never take this minus and plus to calculate any values. So here no need to take the minus sign. So 1 by 2, this value we applied. Then we are going to simplify this. To remove this 10 to the power minus 2, we can change this. Here minus 2 is there, so this decimal has to move friend. 2 points, 2 is there, so 2 digit has to move friend. So here 2 is there, but another 1 digit not have, so instead of that you can give 1 0. So this point is moved 2 digit before, 2 0. So this will convert as a 0.025 mole decimeter minus 3 second minus 1. Now we are going to cross this with the 2 table. 1 2s are 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1 is there. Already we give a point, so 1 0 you can add. That is considered as 10. 5 2s are 10. So if we cancel this, we get 0.0125. So 1 by 4 d of concentration of N2 divided by dt is equal to 0.0125. Now we need only d of concentration of N2 divided by dt. So we are going to take this 4 right side of the equation. If it is going right side, here 4 is in division condition. If it is going right side, it will go in multiple. 4 into 0.0125. We are going to multiply this 0.0125 by 4 5s are 20, remaining 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10, remaining 1. 1 4s are 4. 4 1, 4 plus 1, 5. This 0. So after the point 2 digit is enough. These zeros don't have value. So value of D of N, concentration of NO2 divided by dt is equal to 0.05 mole decimeter minus 3 second minus 1. So this is a rate of formation of NO2. Next question they ask us to find rate of formation of O2. For this is a expression. From the rate expression we are taking this expression. So already we know the value of D of N2O5 divided by dt, that is a 0.25 into 10 power minus 2. If you convert this will change like that. Again you are going to cross. Already we saw here how to cross this. 0.0125 is the answer. So rate of formation of O2 is equal to 0.0125 mole decimeter minus 3 second minus 1. Then finally they asked rate of overall reaction. Overall reaction, how we can write with the use of this expression? First, minus 1 by 2 d of concentration of N2O5 divided by dt equal to 1 by 4 d of NO2 divided by dt equal to d of O2 divided by dt. This is the expression. Now we are going to substitute this rate of the N2O5 and NO2 and O2. So what we find this rate of NO2, that is 0.05. Then the rate of O2 is 0.0125. If you cancel this, what answer you will get? 0.0125. Here also if you cancel you will get 0.0125. So overall rate of the reaction. Overall rate of the reaction is equal to 0.0125 mole decimeter minus 3 second minus 1. Once again I recall today's class. First we saw how to find the rate expression for given reaction. Next, in second sum, they were given some data. With the use of this, we will find the rate expression and find the rate of the overall reaction. So with the use of given data, we find one equation. For this equation, we wrote one rate expression. With the use of this rate expression, we find the rate of formation of NO2 and the rate of formation of O2, and finally we find the overall rate of the given reaction. Thank you, students.